These videos are for informational purposes only and are not for investment purposes. Ever wondered why Bitcoin uses proof of work while Ethereum switched to proof of stake? Let's dive into the core differences between these two fundamental consensus mechanisms. Proof of work, or PoW, introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto in the Bitcoin white paper, requires miners to solve complex cryptographic puzzles. Miners compete to find a nonce that, when hashed with the block header, produces a hash below a dynamically adjusted target difficulty. Bitcoin's block time is targeted at 10 minutes, with difficulty retargeting every 2016 blocks, approximately every 2 weeks. As of 2024, Bitcoin's network hash rate exceeds 600 exahashes per second, consuming an estimated 150 to 200 terawatt-hours annually. The primary advantage of PoW is its extremely high security due to the massive economic cost required for a 51% attack. However, PoW is energy-intensive, with Bitcoin mining using about 0.5% of global electricity, and it has a slow transaction throughput of around 7 transactions per second. Centralization risks also exist from large mining pools, with some controlling nearly 50% of the network's hash rate. Now, let's explore proof of stake, or PoS, which gained prominence with networks like Peercoin and was scaled by Ethereum. Instead of computational work, PoS selects validators pseudo-randomly based on the amount of cryptocurrency staked and the time held. Ethereum fully transitioned to PoS on September 15, 2022 via the merge, drastically reducing its energy use by 99.95%. Validators must stake a minimum of 32 ETH, and there are over 1 million active validators on Ethereum with approximately 35 million ETH staked. The advantages of PoS include its energy efficiency, faster transaction finality, and lower hardware barriers for participation. However, PoS faces risks like nothing at stake, where validators can vote on multiple chains cheaply, and potential wealth concentration. It is also less battle-tested than PoW, with Ethereum's PoS having only about 2 years of uptime. Let's compare these two mechanisms side by side, starting with security. PoW is arguably stronger due to real-world attack costs. PoS uses slashing, where validators lose staked ETH for misbehavior, but it can be vulnerable to long-range attacks. For scalability, PoS enables sharding and higher transactions per second, with Ethereum aiming for 100,000 TPS. PoW, however, is limited by block size and propagation, resulting in lower transaction throughput. Environmentally, PoS wins decisively. Ethereum post-merge produces 0.0002 kilograms of CO2 per transaction, compared to Bitcoin's 1,173 kilograms. Economically, PoW rewards are fixed, like Bitcoin's 3.125 BTC per block post, 2024 halving, while PoS issuance is variable. Most new chains favor PoS, though Bitcoin may stick with PoW, and hybrid models are also emerging. So, can proof of stake truly match proof of work security, or will PoW's proven track record continue to dominate? Ultimately, both mechanisms play crucial roles in the evolving landscape of blockchain technology. These videos are for informational purposes only and are not for investment purposes. Always remember to do your own research.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.